Hey viewers, today we are going to give you the review about the LG Wing 5G, but before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel, which is the mobile corridor, or don't forget to click the bell icon so that when we're going to upload the videos, you guys are going to get notified for that. So let's start the review. What are you waiting for? The LG Wing 5G is a novelty in the phone world, a bold design to get more screen real estate without folding the phone. For the most part, it's a good trade-off giving up some camera capabilities in order to keep cost competitive with other flagship smartphones. Just don't expect it to revolutionize phones. The multi-screen software is basic and takes some time to harness effectively. But in a market of black rectangles, the LG Wing 5G is a lovely attempt to bring something new and crucially more affordable than its folding counterpart. LG Wing 5G phone with a front screen that swells horizontally and upward to reveal a smaller display underneath, providing more screen real estate in a device that you can use one-handed. It's a sort of mechanism we saw on some of the many experimental phone designs that came out in the 2000s. In particularly, the LG Wing 5G feels a lot like the Danger Hip Top but modernized for 2020. So let's take a closer look through the specifications. Size 6.8 inches. Memory 128 GB, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB, 8 GB RAM. Rear camera triple camera, 64 MP wide, 13 MP ultra wide, and 12 MP ultra wide. Front camera motorized pop-up, 32 MP. Operating system Android 10. Chipset Qualcomm STM765 Snapdragon 765G. Weight 260 gram. Battery 4000 mAh fast charging, wireless charging. The price of LG Wing 5G is $999. For more reviews of the cell phone, stay tuned with us and do subscribe our channel, The Mobile Corridor.